right? So we went from 0 to 4 to 12 point something right now. I want to get to hundreds of millions of people because our mission is to help people consume higher quality information. I want more people to consume higher quality information. The more people we reach, the better. At the same time, beyond the consumer side, we're seeing that AI is becoming really good at writing, and it can be used to write BuzzFeed level stuff, or it can be used to write Reuters level stuff. And so we want to be one of the first entrants into the market of helping journalists write better stuff more easily, because right now it's easier to write junk than to write something good. And so if we make it really easy to write something good, maybe we'll have more good stuff out there than we otherwise would have. So we're about to roll out a product, or rather a suite of 6 different products for journalists and for media companies to try to help them create higher quality content in much less time, basically by automating all the mundane stuff that they do, by creating everything from minor things like SEO collateral, like URL slugs and things like that, all the way to a first draft that they can start from and then edit from, right? Obviously, we're not going to create the final product for them, and we're not going to be the ones gathering the data for them. That, for now, only a journalist can do. Like, our AI cannot go and interview Deep Throat in a garage in DC somewhere, right? It cannot sleep on the stairs of City Hall to badger the mayor into accidentally telling the truth, right? We cannot do that. But we can describe what happened in a county meeting, for example, right? Because the transcript is already out there. We can synthesize information that was already published by others without plagiarizing them, by taking a fact from here, a fact from here, a fact from here, a fact from there, and then writing an article that reads really well. And we're at the point where our internal models write much, much better than the public ones that you see, the ChatGPTs, etc. And I would say write better than 99% of humans. But that requires convincing people, or rather, or at the very least, showing that these people already exist. Like, I don't think that you needed to convince people that organic food is good, right? But you needed to sell organic food, make some money, and show to the world, hey, organic food sells. And now even Walmart carries organic food. So maybe we don't need to convince people that high quality information is better for them. It's enough that we just say, hey, look, 12 million people are proof that high quality information is actually something people want. And the more readers we have, the more credible we will become in making that argument to the journalists, to the media companies, to the advertisers, to the distribution engines, if you can consider Google, Facebook, etc. They're just distributors of content and kind of a supply chain view of the system. So we have to show to them, hey, these products sell. Then we'll see more of them in the ecosystem.